Welcome to the today's video, guys, I have shared the screen of chart of the Cochin Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard is a company that deals in shipbuilding like type businesses, and it's a leading company of our India in this sector. And a company was listed around in 2018 at the price of around 200 rupees, and currently now it is trading at 1500, and it has made the lifetime high of around 3000 in 2024 only. And after making a high of 3000, currently it is available at just 50% discount. So is it a good opportunity or not? Please look into this. And I just want to tell you, this is a leading company is not trading at very high PE. It's trading at the median of the same type of company or industries median. And company is posting the numbers, good numbers, or you can say the decent numbers in terms of sales and profits and margin or etc and all these things. And FII DI both also has the decent stake in this particular company. And if guys, you and all, I believe all these things are good, so we can definitely uh, go with this. But please do your due diligence before buying, because I'm not recommending this to anyone. I am This is my disclaimer. I want to clarify this, and I'm not recommending any stock. And this is just only for learning purpose. And I have I have shared the chart of weekly candle chart. And guys, if you see here, then you will believe. You see here that this stock has made, after 50% falling from their high, it has made a W pattern at the spot of 1250. And now it's it has started moving again upside. And I believe it will soon reach their lifetime high of 3000 very soon. And it will not stop there, it will move further on. If the volatility or all these things in the markets are good. And because today, you know, market is very volatile. So all the stocks like with the index on like Nifty is falling down. And there is no confidence on whether it will move upside, or it will move down, or it will consolidate at this particular zone. No one knows. So there is a volatility in the market. But the stocks who has good fundamentals are making a chart pattern and consolidating, after consolidating or after a discount, or and not trading at very high P, definitely they have the opportunity that they will move further upside, and they will make a new high or give the breakout like that. Okay, so please do not consider this as a recommendation to buy. Please do your due diligence before buying. And please do not forget to like the hit button and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.